Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Firstly, we have to explain that the general principle is that women are equal to men in all religious rulings because of the hadith, Sallu kama ra'aytumuni asalli, which mean, pray as you have seen me praying. But there are some cases preferable for women's prayer. One of the cases in which the scholars mention specific rules for women is prayer, where there are differences as follows. 1. Women do not have to give adhan or iqama because adhan requires raising the voice, which women are not permitted to do. 2. All of the woman's body is awrat and must be covered during prayer, except for her face and palms of hands. 3. The woman should keep her limbs close to her body during ruku' and sujood and not spread them out, because this is more modest and covering. 4. It is permissible for women to go out and pray in the mosque with men, although their prayer at home is better for them. 5. It is preferable for women to pray in congregation, led by one of their number, and the woman leading the prayer should read aloud as long as no non-mihram man can hear her. And the women, different from men in congregational prayer in a number of ways. 1. Congregational prayer is not required of them in the same way as it is of men. 2. The imam of a group of women stands in the middle of the first row. 3. If one woman and one man are praying, she should stand behind him, not next to him. 4. If women are praying in rows behind men, the back rows are better for them than the front rows. And Allah knows best. All perfect praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. I testify that there is none worthy of worship except Allah, and that Muhammad ﷺ is his slave and messenger.